EP25 OPENCOBOLIDE Login Complete Sample. Builder Screen Section Builder with Borders. Checkcon. Hi everybody, this PPT was made by Nestor ACHA. The notes will be read by the automatic voice of WordOffice. Thank you very much for being interested in seeing it. Loading the client's file. To validate the PIN and control a maximum of wrong PIN attempts, we will use a client file, which you can generate with the Checkcon 2002 program inserted in this slide. You must previously download the PPT from the link in the video description. The program uses the EP002.txt file also inserted. The execution result is shown on the left. If you have any doubts, you can watch the video EP02 OPENCOBOLIDE Type Load Checkcon, which explains how to load the employee's file, very similar to the client's file that we are going to use. To build the screen section with borders, we need to prepare the attached screen model login_mod.txt and run the also attached buildscsc.cbl program. Modify the output file name, put the one your login program will use, CBL, then modify it in buildscsc and save it, so that we don't accidentally lose the changes in our new program when running the constructor again. If you have any doubts, you can watch the video EP12 OPENCOBOLIDE Builder Screen Section Checkcon, which explains how to generate the screen section from a screen model. Please use Notepad++ to create and edit patterns with borders that use extended ASCII characters. The program generated by the bordered screen section constructor completes to get the attached Checkcon program that contains the presentation layer, since the PIN validation logic will be in the CCRYPTO program that contains all the business rules. If you dared to try the login programs and have any problems, please comment so we can review and improve. The CCRYPTO program implements the following business rules. Reset PIN. This option must be used by an administrator and must be used for new clients or clients who forgot their PIN. The last 4 digits of the client code are entered, and the client must then make a PIN change. Validate PIN. The entered PIN is encrypted using the transform function, and the encrypted value is compared with the value saved in the client's file. If it does not match, it is accumulated as a failed attempt. When 3 attempts are exceeded, an error message is sent and it will not be possible to enter until the next day. Depending on the case, client access could be blocked until an administrator resets the PIN. Change PIN. You must enter all the fields, customer code, current PIN, new PIN, and re-entry of the new PIN. The current PIN in the file is validated, and the re-entered PIN must be equal to the new entered PIN. Any PIN that is written to the file is encrypted with the transform function. Note: to carry out the indicated controls, it is necessary to save the number of failed attempts and the date of the attempt in the file. The transform function implements a weak encryption algorithm. In real life, you must use stronger algorithms implemented by software or by hardware using HSM lockboxes. On the mainframe, a cryptographic coprocessor can be directly used that offers ease of implementation in COBOL and excellent performance. Here we show part of the CCRYPTO program, which is embedded in the icon shown. In the following slides, we will show screens that show the full functionality of login. Reset PIN. We enter the client code 000006 and press the F1 key. The system saves the encrypted PIN 0006 in the file and displays the message PIN was resetted. Remember that this action must be carried out by authorized persons. Validate PIN. We enter the client code 000006 and the pin 0007 and press the enter key. The system rejects with the message wrong pin entered because the pin must be 0006. Wrong pin maximum exceeded. We enter the client code 000006 and the pin 0008 and press the enter key. The system rejects with the message wrong pin entered because the pin must be 0006. We retry with pin 0009 and it gives the same error, but when trying a wrong pin for the fourth time, it rejects with the message wrong pin maximum exceeded because only 3 wrong pin attempts are allowed. Change pin. Because the access has been blocked due to the excess of the wrong pin, we reset again by pressing the F1 key, then we enter the correct pin 0006, the new pin 1111 and re-enter pin 2222 to verify that the new pin is being validated correctly, and press the F2 key. The system rejects with the message pin re-entered not match. We modify re-enter pin with 1111 and press F2 again. Now the pin change works and shows the message PWD client 000006 was changed. Validate pin. We enter the client code 000006 and the new pin 1111 and press the enter key. The system sends the message pin entered is correct, indicating that the correct password has been entered. In the video shown, the pin fields are secure so that what is entered cannot be seen, and auto-skip so that it will jump to the next field when the last digit is entered. We hope that you have been able to recreate the entire scenario on your PC and have carried out the pin validation tests. Download the PPT and copy the necessary elements for its implementation. Thank you for your attention. And good luck!